Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix multi-line text not showing in paper space using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your invisible note blocks on your current setup session so your descriptions display beautifully when you switch over to your print sheets. Step 1. Check the Show All Text switch at the bottom of your window. The first step is to check a quick visibility button at the very bottom of your screen that controls whether the software is hiding your smart text blocks because of a size mismatch. Move your mouse pointer down to the row of tiny utility icons at the bottom right corner of your screen window, look for the symbol that looks like a single blueprint triangle, and click on it once with your main mouse button. Watch the triangle icon closely to ensure its background turns bright blue, which means the master text visibility rule is turned on. Because if this button is turned off, your software will automatically hide any multi-line text block that does not match your active layout zoom size perfectly. Turning this switch to blue acts as a master override rule. It tells the software engine to show every piece of text on your screen canvas, no matter what, which stops your words from disappearing while you check the settings. Step 2. Highlight your invisible text blocks on your main map. Next, you need to click back over to your dark drawing board to select your missing block text so you can look at its background preference properties. Click on the tab at the bottom left that says Model, locate the paragraph text that went missing inside your print box, and click on its outer lines once with your main mouse button. Make sure the entire block of text lights up with small blue control squares at the corners, confirming that your text is fully selected. Because if you do not highlight the text blocks directly, any fixes you apply will not know where to go. By selecting the paragraph rows, you open up their individual instruction lists inside the computer memory card. It ensures your next steps will target the exact words that are failing to show up on your paper sheet. Step 3. Update your Smart Text scale list values. Now you need to use your Side Options panel to add your active print window size rule directly into your text block's memory list. With your text highlighted, look over at your Side Properties row, find the line that says Annotative Scale, click the tiny box on the right side, and click the button that says Add. Scroll down the number list, pick the exact size rule you are using for your print paper frame, like 1 to 100 or 1 to 50, click it firmly, and click OK to close the box. Because multi-line text has a smart safety filter built into it. If your text block does not have your print scale listed inside its background choices, it will choose to stay invisible rather than look wrong. Adding your print size number to this list tells the program engine that this text block is officially allowed to display inside that specific layout box. It's the key step to getting the right output because it matches your text settings to your print numbers. And that's it. To fix multi-line text, MTEXT, not showing in paper space, you must first click the single triangle icon at the bottom row until it turns blue to force your text to stay awake. Then you go to your main Model tab and select your paragraph text on your screen canvas rows. Next, you open your Properties sidebar and add your exact layout window scale number to the Annotative List Manager. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.